Welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about trick to find out packing efficiency. First of all, we will read about packing efficiency. The percentage of the total space filled by the particles in crystal lattice is called percentage packing efficiency. It means percentage packing efficiency is equal to volume of particles in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. This is the first video on YouTube in which you can easily understand how to find out packing efficiency. We know that in SCC unit cell, the particles present at the corners of the cubic touch each other. In BCC, particles present on body diagonal touch each other, whereas in FCC or HCP unit cell, particles present on the face diagonal are touch each other. What is unit cell and its type? I have been prepared a video on unit cell. If you didn't watch the video, please watch it. Similarly, we know that there are 1, 2 and 4 particles are present in per unit cell of SCC or primitive unit cell, BCC and FCC respectively. Total volume of the unit cell in SCC, BCC and FCC are as follows. Since volume of the unit cell is equal to cube of edge length, therefore volume of SCC unit cell is equal to 2R cube. Volume of BCC unit cell is equal to 4 upon root 3 R cube. Similarly, volume of FCC unit cell is equal to cube of 2 root 2 R. Here R is the radius of a particle. So we can calculate packing efficiency easily by the above formula or trick. Above formula, percentage packing efficiency is equal to volume of particles of unit cell into 100 divided by total volume of a unit cell. So percentage packing efficiency in SCC is equal to volume of particles in unit cell divided by total volume of a unit cell into 100. Here in SCC, we know that one particle present in a unit cell and volume of a sphere or particle is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, percentage packing efficiency in SCC is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by cube of 2r is equal to 52.36. Almost after rounding, resultant value is 52.4%. The total volume occupied by spheres or particles in SCC unit cell is 52.4%, while the empty space or voids is 47.6%. 100 minus 52.4 is equal to 47.6%. Similarly, for BCC, percentage packing efficiency is equal to, we know that in BCC per unit cell there are 2 particles are present, therefore 4 by 3 pi r cube into 2 divided by 4 upon root 2 r cube into 100. Resultant value is 68%. Hence, the total volume occupied by spheres or particles in BCC unit cell is 68%, while the empty space between particles or voids is 32%. 100 minus 68 is equal to 32%. And for FCC or CCP or HCP unit cell, percentage packing efficiency is equal to, we know that in FCC unit cell there are 4 particles are present in per FCC unit cell. Therefore, volume of particles in unit cell is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 divided by total volume of a unit cell in FCC 2 root 2 r cube into 100. Resultant value is 74%. Hence, the total volume occupied by spheres in FCC or CCP or HCP unit cell is 74%, while the empty space or voids between the particles is 100 minus 74 is equal to 26%. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, empty space between particles in BCC unit cell is 68%, 32%, 47.6% and 26%. So solution will be, we know that packing efficiency of BCC structure is 68%. Therefore, empty space between the particles is 32. 100 minus 68 is equal to 32%. So answer will be option B, 32%. Now next, second question. The total volume of atoms present in FCC unit cell is option A, B, C and D. In FCC unit cell, 4 particles are present in per unit cell and volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, the total volume of atoms is equal to 4 number of particles, 4 here atoms, number of atoms 4 into volume of atoms or sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So resultant value is 16 upon 3 pi r cube. So answer will be option C. Now next third question. The packing fraction in BCC units structure is option A, B, C and D. Very important question. Since percentage packing efficiency is equal to packing fraction into 100. Therefore, the percentage packing efficiency in BCC unit cell is 68%. So packing fraction is 0.68. Answer will be option D. Now next, fourth question, very important. Which of the following decreasing order in correctly for percentage packing efficiency of SCC, BCC, FCC? Option A, B, C and D. We know that percentage packing efficiency of SCC, BCC and FCC is 52.4%, 68% and 74% respectively. So decreasing order of percent packing efficiency is FCC 74, BCC 68 and SCC 52.4%. Therefore answer will be option C. Very important question. Now next last question. If the length of face of cube is small a, the distance between body centered atom of cube and corners atoms will be option A, B, C and D. We know that length of face diagonal is A into root 2, whereas length of body diagonal is equal to A root 3. Therefore, the distance between body centered atom of cube and corners is equal to half of body diagonal, mean A into root 3 divided by 2. Body diagonal A into root 3 divided by 2. So answer will be option B. Answer will be option B, root 3 into A divided by 2. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed the excellent trick to find out packing efficiency. Thanks for watching that video.